Today we're going to repair the iPhone X with no display. Let's get started. This iPhone was accidentally dropped. No visible cracks in glass and can still receive notifications. Remove the two 6.9 mm long pentalobe screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. Position the suction cups on the front and gently pull it upward to separate the LCD screen. Slide the opening tool around the edge of the screen, slicing through the adhesive while holding the display in place. Open the iPhone by swinging the display up from the left side, like the back cover of a book. Remove 5 Y screws securing the logic board connector bracket. Remove the bracket in place. Use the point of a spudger to pry the battery connector, panel sensor, old panel cable and touch digitizer from its socket on the logic board. Remove the earpiece speaker and front sensor assembly. Transfer the earpiece speaker and front sensor assembly to the new replacement screen. Place the adhesive on the LCD frame contacts. Plug in the flex cable connectors on the main board. Attach the bracket in place. Assemble the new LCD screen in place. Tighten the two 6.9 mm long pentalobe screws in place. The screen is now working perfectly.
Thank you for watching.
I'm Jackson.